Volvo Trucks has long been synonymous with an unwavering commitment to safety, consistently leading the industry with innovative technologies. Among its many advancements are adaptive cruise control, which helps drivers maintain a safe distance and speed relative to the vehicle ahead, and lane keeping and lane change support systems that assist in keeping large trucks stable within their lanes. Every Volvo truck undergoes rigorous testing for rollover and front underrun protection to minimize injury risks for both truck occupants and other road users. Newer models also feature dynamic steering with stability assist, offering counter-steering support to help maintain control in challenging situations. In crash tests with the Volvo FH model, the company simulates worst-case scenarios where a driver ignores all collision warnings. In such cases, Volvo's emergency braking system first applies light braking before transitioning to full emergency braking. The Volvo FMX, designed for tough construction environments, has undergone a brutal weight drop test to assess the durability of its gearbox and engine mounts. A 2-ton weight is dropped from heights between 0.5 and 3 meters, with all components remaining intact. However, at 3.5 meters, the impact finally cracks the gearbox mounting, delivering a force equivalent to 214 tons at rest, demonstrating just how far Volvo pushes its trucks in the name of safety and durability. During a full-scale crash test at Germany's Bitburg Airport, Scania showcased the safety capabilities of its trucks in extreme conditions. One truck was driven at 40 miles per hour before making a sharp turn that caused it to roll over onto the driver's side. Upon impact, an inflatable curtain deployed instantly to prevent the driver from being ejected. Scania trucks are now equipped with an advanced emergency braking system, AEBS, which uses radar and camera systems to detect obstacles ahead. If a potential collision is detected, the system issues an audible alert, and if the driver does not react in time or brakes insufficiently, AEBS automatically applies additional braking force. The tests also demonstrated the truck's ability to stop accurately in a variety of scenarios, involving both stationary and moving objects. Beyond rollover simulations, Scania conducted pendulum impact tests to evaluate cabin damage, focusing on critical areas like the A-pillar, roof, and rear wall. Scania emphasizes real-world rollover testing and subjects all truck variants, including crew cab models, used by emergency services to rigorous safety trials. Mercedes-Benz Trucks has introduced several groundbreaking safety technologies aimed at reducing accidents involving pedestrians and cyclists. One of their key innovations is the active brake assist for the first emergency braking system, specifically developed for trucks to help prevent collisions with pedestrians. Complementing this is the sideguard assist, designed to reduce the risk of accidents during cornering by detecting pedestrians and cyclists in the vehicle's blind spots. Leading the charge in automation. The latest Mercedes-Benz Actros is the first production truck equipped with Active Drive Assist 5, a semi-automated driving system that enhances cruise control with added steering support. This system integrates multiple technologies, including proximity control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist, and electro-hydraulic steering to aid in precise maneuvering. Active Drive Assist 5 can autonomously accelerate, brake, and steer the truck when necessary, for instance, correcting unintentional lane departures if the driver fails to respond. Despite these advancements, Mercedes-Benz emphasizes that the system is not a replacement for human control but a support tool, allowing the driver to override it at any time. The latest models of Renault trucks, including the range TC and D, are now equipped with advanced safety technologies such as forward collision warning (FCW) and advanced emergency braking system (AEBS). As part of Renault's intelligence, these features work together to detect the risk of an imminent collision and automatically apply the brakes without requiring driver input. Both systems activate once the truck reaches 10 miles per hour, with AEBS delivering up to 620 kilowatts of braking power through a hydraulic or electric retarder to ensure effective emergency stopping. Another notable feature is the OptiTrack system, available on the Range C construction models. Originally introduced in 2009, OptiTrack offers extra pulling power through the second front axle, functioning like a temporary all-wheel drive. This system provides improved traction without the added weight, fuel consumption, or maintenance costs typically associated with traditional AWD setups. The latest version of OptiTrack disengages automatically at 25 miles per hour and reactivates below 12 miles per hour, all without any driver intervention. In a controlled road test, the DAF-XF truck showcases its advanced automatic braking system by safely coming to a complete stop from around 80 kilometers per hour behind a slow-moving object. The process begins with the forward collision warning (FCW) system alerting the driver of a potential crash, followed by the advanced emergency braking system (AEBS), autonomously activating to prevent impact. DAF trucks also come equipped with Standard Vehicle Stability Control (VSC), an electronic system that helps drivers maintain control during sudden maneuvers by monitoring steering input and vehicle direction. If discrepancies are detected, the system intervenes by reducing engine power and selectively applying brakes to prevent sliding or rollovers. Additionally, the latest Euro 6X, F, and CF models are equipped with the innovative crash bracket, a reinforced cab structure combined with energy-absorbing cab suspension. In a crash test simulating a rear impact with a fully loaded trailer at 25 kilometers per hour, the crash bracket system effectively releases and slides backward, helping absorb the impact and minimizing injury risk to the driver. MAN trucks are equipped with an advanced emergency brake assist (EBA) system, a sophisticated safety feature that uses radar sensors and a windscreen-mounted camera to detect and monitor the speed, distance, and angle of objects ahead. When a potential hazard is identified, the system issues multiple warnings to the driver while the truck is still at a safe distance. If the driver takes appropriate action, such as braking or changing lanes, the system remains passive. However, if no action is taken, EBA intervenes and brings the truck to a complete stop to avoid a collision. To address blind spots on the co-driver's side, particularly on long-haul trucks, MAN has installed dual radar sensors that offer 180-degree detection at speeds of 30 kilometers per hour or below. When turning through tight corners, the system alerts the driver if a cyclist or pedestrian enters the truck's path. While these sensors do not automatically activate the brakes, The combination of visual and audible warnings allows the driver to slow down or stop as needed, enhancing overall road safety.